Toyota says its profits could grow almost 10% this year. The company raised its full-year earnings outlook after reporting disappointing quarterly results. Phil LeBeau has more on the automaker's outlook and why it could get more attention of President Trump.
Toyota is in a tough spot. Earnings for the last quarter of 2016 fell 23% as the company sold fewer vehicles. But this year, profits are expected to grow almost 10%, due largely to the weak Japanese yen, which helps the profitability of vehicles built in Japan and exported to markets like the U.S. The weak yen is also a longtime complaint of the CEOs of the big three. They believe the yen allows Toyota to be more aggressive with rebates and incentives, and they say it ultimately cuts into sales and profitability for GM, Ford, and Chrysler. It's a complaint Toyota calls false. But the bigger issue for the Japanese automaker could be President Trump. He has blasted Toyota on Twitter for building a plant in Mexico that will export cars to the U.S. So far, Toyota has said it is not changing those plans. About half of the vehicles it sells in the U.S. are built in the U.S. In addition, the company is expanding capacity at a plant in Indiana. The level of U.S. production by Japanese automakers and the weakness of the Japanese yen could be two topics discussed later this week by Japan's Prime Minister Shinzo Abe and President Donald Trump. They're scheduled to meet on Friday at the White House. Phil LeBeau, Nightly Business Report, Chicago.